Hey, a few things here. August 29th, Rob Ross, Intercoastal Mortgage, coming at you from our new Reston headquarters. That's the first cool thing. Second cool thing, I want to remind our real estate partners, we love co-sponsoring open houses and hanging with you at the events and helping drive traffic to those open houses. In fact, spinning around here, I'm doing one right here with a good friend and real estate partner of mine, Jacolia Jesse, this weekend. She is an amazing real estate agent with McInerney, and this property is on Charlestown Pike in Hamilton. I'm going to drop a link below so you can visit us. We'll be out there hanging out, showing this amazing house off between 1 and 3 on Saturday. So would love to see all of my real estate partners or any home buyers out there that are interested in a really unique property with a kick-ass pool. We're here to help you out. And real estate partners, if you want to grab lunch, check out the new view. Reston Town Center. We are here to help. Let's go grab lunch. On behalf of myself, Chris Carney, Alec Gagne, and the Ross Group and Intercoastal Mortgage, we're working together to serve you better, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.